Good morning everyone. We are Sir Gagan's Atmanirbhar Bharat team and our group in charge is Sir Gagan. And the group members are Wasfi Rehman, Suhail Nafisa, Tamshida Modi, Suhail Sundar Sultan and myself, Faiza Rehman. The Atmanirbhar Bharat is an initiative launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 12 May 2020. The main aim of this mission is to make India self-sufficient, strong and independent in every field, whether it is in education, scientific or infrastructure, agriculture. The main five vision of the Atmanirbhar Bharat is based on the five pillars that are infrastructure, economy, system, demand and demography. Under this mission, the government has launched a 20 lakh crore rupees economic package to support the farmers, the small businesses, the startups and the industries. The Atmanirbhar Bharat has made India more independent in many ways. For example, during the COVID-19, our country has produced the vaccines, masks, sanitizers and ventilators in our own country, which is a very progress in our country. It also encourages entrepreneurship. And education. Still, our India has many challenges like to improving product qualities and in races like the global demands. The main aim of this mission was to make India self-sufficient. It also encourages the idea of local for vocal, which means promoting India's goods and boycotting the other foreign products, as the products made in India are more sufficient for our Indians and it is more helpful to us in many ways. The India is progress in agricultural activities, for the resources found in India are more sufficient and varied than other countries and we should promote this. In conclusion, Atmanirbhar Bharat is an initiative which made India self-sufficient. Like if Indians support economic goods and products made in India, then India will become more independent and more progressive. So, in conclusion, all Indians should support Indian farmers, products and many more.